Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you secretly share a post on your Facebook group anonymously. So how can I do that? Basically, we just have to go on the groups option here on my profile, and we will go to the groups. So click on the groups, and you can see these all are the groups here, and I will just write something and wait, it's hanging, so we'll just have to wait. So this is post page here, and you will go to this at the rate silent. After that, you can post anything here and they will be don't notified about this. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.